It's me again, Mars, and welcome back to my channel. Yay! 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 I am here today to teach you how to play the song of Caleb or Caleb. The title is I Need You More Today. Sure that ukulele is in tune. Na ito. Charot. Hindi mag-Tagalog mo? Tagalog na po. Turuan ko kayo paano magsimula ay paano yung chord sa chorus na kanta na I Need You More Today ni Caleb. Okay? First chord is G. Put your G. Go to the second fret to the third string and second fret to the first string and third fret to the second string. Ito yon. Okay. Second chord is D. Let's go to the second fret in fourth and third and second string. And ito yon. Third chord is EF. Let's go to the second fret to the first string, third fret to the second string, and fourth fret to the third string. Okay, fourth chord is C. Isa lang yung gagamitin. So, third fret to the first string. And let's go back to G. Second fret to the third string and first string and third fret to the second string. E. Second fret to the fourth, third, and second string. EM again. Second fret to the first string, third fret to the second string, and fourth fret to the third string. C again. Third fret to the first string. And G. Last. Second fret to the third string, second fret to the first string, and third fret to the second string. And the strumming pattern is ilalagay ko po dito yung strumming pattern po niya. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. Yun po.
Let's try to sing the whole chorus.
Are you coming back into my arms to love me again? I love you, I miss you, I need you now more than ever, more than words. Say I love you, I miss you, I need you more today. Okay, and that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo kahit konti lang kasi first time ko lang naman mag-tutorial. Sana nakagets kayo kapag nakasabot mo. And if you want to know me better, please subscribe my channel and watch my videos. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and click the notification below. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.